Hello everyone, this is an extension of a previous video. In this previous video, I asked the question, can an infinite number of renewals happen in a finite amount of time? And we found that if we have a finite amount of time, then we must have a finite number of renewals. Now, in this next video, I'm trying to answer the question, when do we have a finite number of renewals, but an infinite amount of time, which is actually the opposite in conditions. And the only time in which this happens is when one of our times before, let's say, the ith renewal, or we can even just say the nth renewal, is equal to infinity. That means the time till the next renewal is not going to happen. So we need one of our renewal times. Now recall, for this previous video, S is defined as the cumulative renewal time, and X is the time between renewals. So X2 would be the time between renewal 1 and the second renewal. Xn is the time between renewal Xn minus 1, X sub n minus 1, and X sub n. So we need one of these, which would be the last one, X sub n, to be infinite. And that's the only time in which we'd have a finite number of renewals in an infinite time frame. In most cases, what we would have is a finite number of renewals in a finite time frame, and as long as a renewal is possible, then if t is equal to infinity, then n of infinity would also equal to infinity, as long as this condition is not true. If this condition is true, then we'd have this.